Hello students of class 8. Today we will continue our question answers from our activities. I have already uploaded up to activity 4. We are going to do from activity 5 today, working with wood and bamboo. Activity 5. Make a bamboo product. Reflection questions. Which object are you going to make? I am going to make a bamboo pen holder for my desk. It will be functional for organizing my stationery and showcase the natural beauty of bamboo. What is a pen holder? A bamboo pen holder is a simple yet creative object that can be made using one or two bamboo internodes. It is eco-friendly and it is useful for daily study or office use, and it demonstrates understanding of basic bamboo craft techniques. It is a cylindrical container with a base and a few holes or slots to hold pens, pencils and small stationery items. It is useful for my study desk and looks very attractive. When I will finish, it will look very attractive. Number 2. Sketch the object you are going to make with dimensions. Provide detailed sketch showing cylindrical bamboo section, multiple compartments created by leaving some internal nodes intact, smooth upper edge, stable flat base, decorative carved pattern on outer surface. So students, you must draw a sketch of your finished bamboo object, leveling all the important measurements like height, width, diameter of the comb and length of the pieces. It requires a visual representation. The sketch shows how the pen stand will look and includes important measurements also. Okay. See, this is the sketch I have given here. Height of cylinder 10 cm, diameter of cylinder 6 cm, thickness of bamboo wall 0.5 cm, base circular piece 6 cm diameter into 1 cm thick, 4.5 small holes 1 cm diameter on the side for pens. Okay. Number 3. Write down the process you followed in making your object. Which tools did you use? Answer. Step by step process. Number 1. Sketching and planning. Drew the design on paper with dimensions. Selected a mature bamboo comb with smooth texture. Number 2. Measuring and marking. Used measuring tape and pencil to mark 10 cm length on the bamboo. Marked base circle on a thick bamboo piece. Cutting. Secured bamboo in bench wise. Used hack saw to cut a 10 cm internode section and a 1 cm thick base. Smoothing. Scraped outer green skin using a cutter. Used wood file to smooth edges. Drilling holes. Used hand drill with 1 cm bit to make 4 holes on the side for pens. Assembly. Applied wood glue on the base. Press fitted the cylinder onto the base. Used clamps to hold for 30 minutes. Sanding. Used sandpaper medium and fine grade to smooth all surfaces. Finishing. Applied varnish using a brush. Let it dry for 2 hours. Tools used: measuring tape, pencil, hacksaw, cutter, wood file, hand drill, clamps, sandpaper, brush, bench vise. I have written the steps from our textbook, which is given in figure 3.17. Students, always write the tools used because it shows your practical understanding of workshop safety and procedure. Number 4. Did you face any difficulties and how did you overcome them? Difficulty. Bamboo split while cutting. How I overcame it? Used slower Steady saw motion made a small notch first to guide the saw. Base didn't fit tightly. How I overcame it? Sanded the inner edge of the cylinder slightly, applied extra glue and clamped firmly. Holes were uneven. How I overcame it? Marked hole positions with a template cardboard circle, drilled slowly while holding drill straight. So this answer reflects the challenges we faced and how we solved it. You can also write difficulties like measuring accurately, making a straight cut on a curved bamboo comb, splitting the bamboo unintentionally, or joining the pieces securely. And how you overcame them, you can write such as seeking advice from a carpenter, securing the bamboo more tightly, changing the type of joint, or remeasuring before cutting. So mentioning problems and their solutions shows problem solving skills and awareness of safety and precision. Number 5. What did you do to make the product look attractive? Answer. Sanded all surfaces smoothly for a polished look, applied 2 coats of varnish to give a shiny golden finish, burned small decorative patterns, lines and dots on the top rim using a heated nail pyrography, tied a thin jute twine around the middle for a rustic look. So in this answer you have to give the details of your finishing techniques, and this question focuses on creativity and finishing. You can mention the painting, carving, or adding decorative materials. I have already added jute twine. You can also use small beads. Activity 6. Costing. How much did you spend? Estimate of cost of making product, materials, quantity, cost per item, total cost. So let's move to the answer. Answer. Materials or tools, quantity, cost per item and total cost. Materials, bamboo piece, quantity 1 piece, that is 10 centimeter. Cost per item rupees 30, total cost rupees 30. Material, nails and screws, quantity 4, cost per item rupees 2, total cost rupees 8. Varnish, small quantity 50 milliliter, cost per item rupees 20, total cost rupees 20. Sandpaper 1 sheet, cost per item rupees 10, total cost rupees 10. Adhesive, that is Fevicol, small quantity, cost per item rupees 10, total cost rupees 10. Paint for decoration, small quantity, cost per item rupees 15, total cost rupees 15. So total material cost is rupees 93. Labor cost, time spent. Time taken to make the product 3 hours. If labor cost is equal to rupees 30 per hour, then labor cost equal to 3 into 30 equal to rupees 90. So here you can research the price of the object similar to the one you made. That is, you made a bamboo pen stand. If you have made wooden coaster, go to a local shop or search online. This will help you compare your manufacturing cost to the market price. Total cost equal to material cost plus labor cost equal to rupees 93 plus rupees 90 equal to rupees 183. Market price of similar product when checked online, example Amazon local craft market, a similar bamboo pen stand cost about rupees 250 to rupees 300. Final selling price suggested equal to rupees 250. So profit equal to rupees 250 minus rupees 183 equal to rupees 67. Activity 7. Basic repairs around the school. Record of repair and maintenance work. Repair task, was it fixed properly? How? Does it feel strong? Yes or no? Answer. Repair task. Was it fixed properly? How? Does it feel strong? Yes or no? Any final improvements needed? Repair task. Loose wooden desk top. Was it fixed properly? Yes. Removed old rusty screws, drilled new pilot holes, used longer screws and wood glue. Does it feel strong? Yes. Any final improvements needed? Sand edges to prevent splinters. Repair task. Broken bench leg joint. Was it fixed properly? Yes. Reinforced with L bracket and 4 screws. Does it feel strong? Yes. Any final improvements needed? Paint the bracket to match wood. Repair task. Squeaky cupboard door. Was it fixed properly? Yes. Tightened hinge, screws, added oil to hinges. Does it feel strong? Yes. Any final improvements needed? Replace rusty hinges later. So here you are asked to perform a simple repair task such as tightening a loose screw, nailing a loose part, sanding a rough edge, or repainting an object. So maintenance keeps the furniture functional and long lasting. Simple repair steps include tightening screws, sanding, replacing hinges. These prevent bigger damage and reduced waste. So students, I have completed up to activity 7. I will upload the videos of the question answers which are given, what else can I do, and think and reflect in the next video. So if you have any problem, comment me. Thank you.